A fabulous good afternoon to everyone. This is Likita from 9th class of ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. My guide teacher name is N. Madhu sir. So, in this session, we will know about Maths Essentials Multiplications Part 2. We understood what is multiplication. So, what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. If we want to add a particular number repeatedly, then that repeated addition can be solved using multiplication. Here is a cross symbol. This cross symbol is for multiplication. Read as into or as times. So now we have taken this example problem 20 into 4. Repeated addition of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 up to 20 times. Here the 4 is been repeated 20 times. So we can use multiplication and read as 20 into 4 or 20 times 4. So now let's see about the multiplication table. Multiplication tables are very important. Calculating the values will become very easy by multiplication. Now let's start with table 2. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. That means 1 is repeated 2 times. So 2 into 1 or 2 times 1 is 2. Nothing but we are adding 1 2 times. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Next 2 into 2 is equals to 4. That is 2 is repeated 2 times. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Next we have 2 into 3. That is 3 is repeated 2 times. It means 3 plus 3 which is 6. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. That means 4 is repeated 2 times. 4 plus 4 which is 8. Next 2 into 5 is equals to 10. 5 is repeated for 2 times. That is 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. That is 6 is repeated for 2 times. 6 into 2 or 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 2 into 7 is equals to 14. 7 is repeated for 2 times. Next 2 into 8 is equals to 16. 8 is repeated for 2 times. 2 into 9 is equals to 18. 9 is repeated for 2 times. Each of the number is repeated 2 times. So we can say this 2 table. Now let's see the application of multiplications. In our daily life there are so many applications. So now we will discuss about the application of multiplications. Now just we take an example 1. A jeep makes 8 trips a day. So the question is how many trips it makes in 2 days. Here 8 should be repeated for 2 times. 2 times 8 it is 16. So in 2 days the jeep makes 16 trips. Now let's see the example 2. This ship will travel 4 hours a day. The question is how many hours it's travel in 3 days. So that 4 hours has to be repeated 3 times. The answer is 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Then ship will travel 12 hours in 3 days. Now let's see the example 3. A cow gives 4 liters per day. The question is how many liters the cow gives in 6 days. 6 has to be repeated 4 times. That means 6 times 4 is 24. So the cow gives 24 liters in 6 days. A bike travels 8 kilometers per day. Question is how many kilometers does it travel in 9 days? 8 kilometers has to be repeated 9 times. 9 into 8 which is 72. So the bike travels 72 kilometers in 9 days. Now let's see example 5. A toy cycle cost 5 rupees. How much do 9 toy cycles cost? So the 5 should be repeated 9 times. 9 into 5 is equals to 45. So like this multiplication is very useful in our daily life. Now let's see the another small activity. We have to find the number of ways in this activity. For the rat house, it has 2 doors to go into the house and 1 door to come out. We have to count the ways to get in. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 ways to go in and one way to come out. That is 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Now here there are two ways A and B to go into the house, and then there are three ways to come out. How many ways to go and come out of the house? What are the total number of ways? Rat first went through A and come out from C, and went through A and come out from D, and again went through A and come out from E. Total here there are three ways from door A. Rat is going through A but coming through different three ways, and went into B and come out from C and then D and then E. So from A and B there are three different ways. So the total number of ways we have 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Here the 3 is repeating 2 times, going through the 2 ways and coming from 3 ways. So the 2 has to be repeated 3 times. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Number of input doors into number of output doors. Now here there are 2 input doors and 2 outputs. That means 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Here there are 2 input doors and 4 output doors. So if the rat goes from one door, it can come from 4 output doors. From other, when it come through 4 doors. So basically 4 is repeating 2 times. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Next one, here we have 1 input door and 3 output doors. So 1 is repeated 3 times. That means 1 into 3 is equals to 3. There are 3 input doors and 2 output doors. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Here there are 3 input and 3 output doors. Total number of doors is equals to 3 into 3, which is 9. Here there are 3 input doors and 4 output doors. That is 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Here there are 4 input doors and 3 output doors. That is 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Now we understood the multiplications and how to use it in a different applications. So first we have to learn multiplication tables. In this session we understood about multiplication table, which means repeated addition, and multiplication applications. Thank you one and all.